Hey guys, so the chat GPT, the artificial intelligence, and the cryptocurrency, all three of them are the emerging technologies which is changing the world in talks across the parliaments, across the streets, right? And all three of them are combining their hands. This is a sign for the people to understand the potential that we are heading towards, like the kind of work that can be done in the future for the people who would want to chase the next trend, the kind of money that you can make with the investment from the investor's perspective. Because when the mass usage or the mass adoption of anything grows, it brings upon a great amount of returns as well in terms of ROI. So you need to watch this video because individually I'm going to talk about how all three of them are being talks of the town, are becoming talks of the town amongst humans, and each are helping each other, joining hands so that we identify the future potential ahead. The GPT you might have heard of, right? Everywhere, the advertisement, the people are talking so many job losses that are going to occur because of this artificial intelligence that is taking over, and it is already happening. People are losing their jobs and stuff. Why? Because the artificial intelligence and the tools will replace humans. One side of the argument is, hey, it is causing damage to the human, but at the same time, people can evolve themselves to this AI or the new field where the work becomes highly efficient, and then the human beings can think of the other set of problems. At the same time, it is even being discussed into the parliaments that it can be a potential threat to the human existence in the future. It can go really wrong, but nobody argues over the fact that it has a huge potential. It can disrupt the entire industries altogether for the good. And disruption only happens when something better is on the cards. Now, at the same time, we are having the revolution that we are witnessing in terms of the cryptocurrency. The NFTs, the cryptos, the blockchain, the smart contracts, you might have heard all these things, right? For the first time in the history, the human beings are able to have a digital property in their control with the use of certain keys through the blockchain, right? That's what is eventually is happening. And then the evolution of different things within the crypto market, like the smart contracts that is happening, the NFT itself, like one of the biggest revolution of the crypto industry. The NFT is going to take over with the real estate industry, the diamond industry, you name it, right? The artists, people are buying and selling the NFTs. So many things are possible. And just imagine both these separate domain technologies are meeting or joining hands altogether. Let me just give the few of the examples already. The trading bots, if you might have known, heard of them, like a lot of exchanges are promoting the trading bots. What does happen in the trading bot? Let's say you purchased any particular cryptocurrency using the trading bots. So the crypto, as the price varies, it goes up. The trading bot takes the profit, books the profit for you, saves it for you. As the price goes down, it sells. Like it purchases low and sells high, purchases low and sells high within a certain range. So as the price is hovering, even while you're sleeping, the trading bots are generating the profit for the people. This is just one of the use case. And then just imagine the biggest use case that is going to come in the future, I believe, is the scams that we are watching, the hacks that we are watching in the crypto industry. Billions of dollars, tens of billions of dollars every single year is happening. If the manual intervention would have been there where the human beings monitor every other smart contract that is taking place, so even before the hacking happens, the danger signs would be given. But manually it's not possible because billions of transactions happen. Now imagine when will be implementing the use of the AI, artificial intelligence, every other smart contracts can be monitored, and then every other potential hacks can be prevented beforehand. That is just one of the things that I just talked about. The cryptocurrencies have this farming, yield farming, staking, unstaking, right? So many things are out there. Delegating, everything can be automated with the use of AI. In fact, people eventually are going to be they will be able to write a program based on their own way of trading, and that particular program will become their own AI bot, which is going to do the trading for them. Like every time without emotions, it is going to do the trading for the people which have written the format into their own. So it is slowly evolving. So many technologies are out there which can be implemented by the people. So the people who are watching this, if you want to eventually uh, build some idea, like build some companies, this is where the field is. You can go and bring the solution in the AI in the world of cryptocurrency. Both of them are in the revolutionary field. At the same time, from the investor's perspective, you can have a look of what are the AI projects that are evolving, the teams behind it. Because if that is the future, if some of the biggest problems are being solved by the AI, not just for the sake of it, not just for the sake of, like, if people are launching the project just for the sake their coin is going to pump, not for that. Like, people are launching the project for solving the genuine problem, which is actually going to set the industry. We need to be looking out for those coins and then probably invest into them, because when the bull market is going to come, when the adoption is going to happen, that's when we can see the serious gains. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, if you like the content, please ensure you hit the subscribe button, share the video if you want to support our channel much more. Smash the like button, and I hope you enjoyed the content. I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.